What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about what is the best way to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Now, working online, I get a lot of questions, and one of the most common questions actually is, what is the best way to make money online? Now, it does depend on your situation, how much money you have, and things like that. But if you have a low budget, affiliate marketing really is the best one to start, the best method, because it's really low overhead cost. You literally don't really need much money at all. You might need a little bit of money for a website, but that'll run you like a couple of dollars per month. You don't really need any money for traffic. You can start with free traffic. I started affiliate marketing with completely free traffic, and now I'm always uploading case studies of $30,000, $50,000 per month with affiliate marketing, but I started doing it with free traffic. Now, one of the reasons why I really like affiliate marketing, guys, is because it's really passive. Like, you put in the work now, and months down the track, years down the track, you can still be making money. And there's really not many businesses online where you can actually do that, because most of them require you to run ads and stuff like that. And when you stop those ads, you stop making money. So that's another reason why I tell people that if you want to get started online, affiliate marketing probably is the best way to start. And then later on, you can venture out into other methods if you want to do that. So what is the best way to start, guys? How can you get into affiliate marketing? What's the best networks to go on? Really, where do you start? Like, if you're a complete beginner to actually making money online with affiliate marketing. Now, before we jump into that, we kind of need to talk about how affiliate marketing works just briefly, because some people might not really understand. Basically, affiliate marketing is when you find someone else's product and you promote that for a commission. It could be 30%, 50%, or it goes all the way up to 70% sometimes, but mainly it's around about 30 to 50%, and then some of them go as low as 10% as well. It really just depends on what you promote. Now, when someone clicks your affiliate link, it basically tracks them with what we call a cookie, and then whenever they purchase, they might purchase on the day, 3 months later, 4 months later. Usually you will get that sale even at a later date, depending on what affiliate marketing network you use. So essentially, you send traffic to a link. If someone purchases a product via your link, you get a commission. And what a lot of people don't actually realize is affiliate marketing is all around you. Literally every single business, online, offline, you've got Walmart, Target, Uber, they all do affiliate marketing. They all have some sort of referral program or some sort of commission scheme where people get a commission or some sort of money by referring people to their products or their services. So what is the best way to do this, guys? Now, we're going to talk about 3 specific methods, products, networks, whatever you want to call them. And I think these are the best for beginners to start with, because these are ones that I've started with and I did extremely well. And most of the people that I know who started affiliate marketing started with these 3 particular methods. Now, the first affiliate program I recommend you use to get started is what we call Amazon Associates. Now, the reason I recommend Amazon Associates is because it's been around for a really long time, way back in the 90s, I think. And essentially, Amazon has every single product you could think of. And you can actually go and promote those products or refer those products to people, and you can get up to a 10% commission. So what I could do is I could go do an article online, or you could go do an article online based on these headphones or a book or whatever is on Amazon. And you can say, hey, you can do an article, the best or top 5 gaming headphones for Xbox. You can do a YouTube video, top 10 gaming headphones for Xbox. You can actually specifically review these particular headphones. Or you can actually go around your house and you can find household items and you can review them, because I guarantee you they're probably getting sold on Amazon right now. Now, the best thing about Amazon for beginners is Amazon is really good at upselling people. So if you go to Amazon right now and click on a product, down the bottom it will have sponsored posts, recommended posts, and things like that. So it really starts to add up when people start adding that to the cart. So for example, if you promote these for say $20 and you get a 10% commission, which is like $2 or something like that, I think. I'm not really sure. My math isn't very good right now. But this $20 or $40 or whatever these sell for could soon turn into $200, $300, $400 or $500 or $1,000, because people might add an Xbox, they might add Xbox games to the cart, and it really starts to add up to a lot of money. So that's why I recommend Amazon Associates if you're a beginner. So go and research how to do that. I have some videos on my channel, and learn how to promote Amazon product. But what I recommend to promote those products, guys, the 2 best ways is to do YouTube and review on YouTube. There's plenty of channels you can go and look and see how it's done, or start a blog based on reviews. So top 10 headphones, best headphones for 2019 and things like that, and you'll soon start to get some traffic coming in, and you'll soon start to make sales. Now, number 2, guys, is what we call Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is really no physical products on there. What you're going to be doing is going on to Clickbank, signing up, and you can promote courses, ebooks, health products. You can even promote a language book. You can promote a course on how to surf. You can promote a course on how to sing. Now, the best thing about Clickbank is it's a specific affiliate marketing network, and you can have a look at all the stats and you can see what products are making what, and there's affiliate pages you can check out. You can get resources and banners and things like that. Now, this is a great affiliate marketing platform because it's proven to work. This has been working for a long time. Once again, this is one of the longest standing affiliate networks online, and you can make really, really good money with this. Some products you can get up to $500 per sale. Some products you can get up to $40 per sale. Now, just a bit of a tip here. Here's a product that I started with on Clickbank a long time ago and made a significant amount of money. And that product was called VertShock. This is a basketball training program, so it doesn't even have to be in the Make Money Online niche or anything like that. And what I did is I went and created a blog based on basketball. It was actually called howtoshootabasketball.com. I actually sold that website and now it's gone. I'm not sure why. I think that person might have actually changed the domain name because the domain name that I had was really keyword rich and Google didn't like that. So anyway, I sold that to somebody and that website was based on basketball, and I talked about basketball. I even actually had an article on the best basketball shoes. So I combined Amazon with Clickbank, and it was a big website. So I made money with VertShock. I made money with Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliates, if you want to call it that, on this one particular website. So you can combine the two as well. But Clickbank is a great affiliate marketing network, guys. It is one of the best online, and it really is the best one that everyone goes to for make money online stuff and anything to do with the health and fitness niche. Now, I will leave some videos below in the description, completely free. I have lots of videos on how you can actually make money online with Clickbank, full training, full tutorials, 100% free, and you can go and watch those right now if you want to learn how to actually, utilize Clickbank and make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now, another great way to start with affiliate marketing, and this really is a great way to make money with affiliate marketing, and a lot of people don't really understand how it works, so let me kind of explain how it works from the start. So every single second of the day, there is a blog getting started, a website getting started. There's billions of blogs and websites online. You can actually take advantage of this because when someone starts a website or a blog, they need to host it somewhere. So they need what we call a hosting service. And those cost around about $2, $3, $4 per month. Now, what you can actually do is a lot of these hosting services like Bluehost, GoDaddy, I think there's one called Page One or something. You can go to these websites and scroll to the bottom and they'll have what they call an affiliate link, and you click and sign up as an affiliate. Now, the best thing about these platforms, guys, is they do big payouts. So Bluehost start off at $65 per referral, and I get actually $110 per referral with them because I send more traffic. So the more people you send, the more money you get. And you might be thinking, why do they pay you $65 per referral when they're only making $2 or $3 per month? Well, it's the same as Amazon. They're good at upselling people. So when someone goes to start a website with Bluehost, Bluehost will sell them the domain name sometimes. If they're not having a free deal on, they'll sell them the hosting for $2 or $3 a month. Then they'll upsell them on SEO services. They'll upsell them on security. They'll upsell them on all sorts of stuff, right? So that $1, $2 a month ends up turning into $4 or $5 a month. And then Bluehost will say, hey, if you purchase 3 years worth, then we'll give you a discount. So essentially the person goes to Bluehost and spends $200, $300 or $100 or whatever, and then Bluehost will give you a percentage of that, which is around about $65 in this case. So that's why they pay a lot of money. But how do you actually go and get the traffic? Well, the best way to get traffic to these types of offers is to go and do YouTube videos and blog posts based on how to create a website, how to build a blog, how to start a website, the best website hosting online. And you can go and do articles, the 10 best web hosting services, and you can be an affiliate for every single one of those web hosting services. So you're actually getting money from different types of web hosting services. Now, how you make that money is very simple, and it works like this. So when you go and do an article, let's say how to start a website online. In fact, let's just scratch that. Let's just say you go and make an article on how to make a hunting blog online, because it's a more long tail keyword and you have better chances of ranking. When someone actually goes and searches how to make a hunting blog online, or you can do a fashion blog or a clothing blog, your article could show up on the front page of Google. And when someone goes and sees your article and they click on the link, your affiliate link, you're making a commission. Now, an example of that is one of my websites right here, where I actually do an article on how to create a blog online. If you scroll down, you'll see that I have links to my Bluehost affiliate links, where I get a commission. Now, my website's quite strong, so I can rank for these types of keywords, how to make a blog online and stuff like that. But eventually, your website will get stronger and you'll go up in the ranks higher. But that's why I mentioned maybe you should do longer tail keywords, like how to create a shopping blog, or how to create a food blog, or how to create a clothing blog online, because then you've got more chance of actually going up in the ranks because it's a longer tail keyword, but people are still actually searching those terms online. And the best thing about organic traffic, guys, is it's really warm traffic. So when someone searches how to create a clothing blog or hunting blog or whatever online, or how to create a website, they're warm. They're actually already ready to create a website. They've been thinking about it, and now they're finally pulling the trigger to go and build a website. So the chances of them actually going through your affiliate link are really, really high, and you'll make a commission. So Bluehost is really a great way to do it, but there's all sorts of other ones. And like I mentioned, you can actually compare hosting platforms as well, which is another thing that a lot of people search, because it's something like 93% of people's buying decisions, or 95%, are based off reviews. So that means that something like over 90% of people, I don't know the exact number, go and search for reviews online. So they don't actually buy the first time they see it from someone else or Amazon or whatever. They go and actually search online for reviews, and they want to find your review. If you have a review on headphones, or you might have done a review on a specific book, you are probably going to get the commission, and they're probably not going to buy off Amazon straight away, or the hosting or Clickbank or whatever platform you use, because they want to go and see reviews. They want to see what other people actually think of the product that they're purchasing. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, guys, I will leave some videos on the top right. I will leave a step-by-step video that you can go and watch right now to learn how to do affiliate marketing. The videos on the right are completely free. I'll also leave some videos in the description with some tutorials based on some of the networks we mentioned inside this video. And all of this is free, guys. You can go and watch this right now. So tap the videos on the right, or tap the videos in the description. Don't forget to smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.